I'm bringing this neglected Tacoma back one job at a time. Right now, it's got a little clunk when I step into it. It's not all the time, but sometimes. And I've already ruled out a bunch of stuff, but there's still a few things left that I need to check. Sway bar bushings, control arm bushings, the body mounts, which I haven't checked. The sway bar bushings are the cheapest, so they're up first. But honestly, I don't think they're the cause. So let's roll them out and see what's actually clunking, if we can. Alright, so this whole channel is basically me dragging this truck back from neglect. Not a showroom build, not a parts catalog flex, just the stuff that's overdue, broken, or about to be. And today, we're under the front end for the sway bar bushings. The sway bar keeps the body from rolling in corners, mounts to the frame on these little rubber bushings. Rubber dries out, cracks, gets slop, the bar can shift in the mount, and these are getting done either way. That's the refurb part. 4 bolts total, 2 here, 2 there. I got some polyurethane bushings I'll put in. But there's also this clunk when I step in. Static load, no driving, and I'm not gonna lie to you guys. That noise usually isn't the sway bar. Most of the time you're looking at mounts or something else holding the cab. So this might be a wild goose chase. What's left on my list is 3 things. Suspect 1, sway bar bushings. Cheapest, easiest, least likely. Suspect 2, control arm bushings. More money, more work. Suspect 3, body mounts. I don't know that I want to change them. That could be a whole weekend fight. Same with the control arms. So we go in order, rule them out. Whatever's left at the end is the clunk. If you've got a clunk in your own truck, drop it in the comments. I've got a list going. They're not in great shape. Well, what do you mean I gotta put light on it? Okay. So, not destroyed, but not great. They're starting to crack. They're not around anymore. Now the real question in this video isn't whether or not I can swap bushings. It's whether these bushings were making a noise. Some energy suspension polyurethane ones. They're not red. Old and cracked, new and tight. That's why they're getting done for the revival, even if it turns out not to be why we're really under here in the first place. It comes with lube, whatever energy suspension lube they send with all their products, and hopefully that'll eliminate any squeaks. I'll put it inside and out. I am being eaten alive by ants right now. Now I see why they say to wear gloves. Good Lord. It's everywhere. Okay. In this instance, wear gloves. My goodness. Clean the bar where the bushing sits, if you feel like it. Put the new bushing on, crack it over the top, start the bolts by hand, and ugga-dugga it down. That's one side down. On to the other side. Yep. It's about time. They're not even in the right shape anymore. Garbage. Let's get this new one in here. That one's never coming out. Now that we're done, gotta be honest, I don't have a clunk when I step in. It's approved. But I'm still not sold that those were the cause. That's one more piece of this neglected Tacoma coming back. Bushings done. Clunk hunt still open. If this helped, hit subscribe. I'm documenting the whole revival, including wherever this noise actually ends up. And if your truck clunks when you step in, tell me what you already rolled out in the comments. Maybe we can save somebody a body mount job they didn't need. Anyway, that's all I got for today, guys. I'll catch y'all later.
Skip weight installed.